What's up everyone? Thanks for tuning in. We got a special one for you today. We have a 1998 Honda Prelude Type SH. So I used to have a 1998 for my first car in high school. So this is a really nostalgic one for me. So this is Great Lakes Vintage Honda here.
Hi there.
Tell us a little bit about your Type SH here.
So I picked this car up early this year. I think it was back in January, with the plan of kind of doing a refresh on it and then maybe selling it on. And once the car arrived, we did quite a bit of work to it to get it back into really nice condition, but it was too nice to let go. So I decided to add this one to my collection after all.
Yeah.
64,000 original miles on it. Still has all the VIN stickers. It's a Type SH, so it has the ATTS system, which a lot of those over time have gone bad.
Okay.
This one actually still functions and works perfectly.
Wow, that'll be amazing to experience.
Yeah, and with this color, this triple white diamond color, it just looks fantastic.
Oh yeah, you can really see the flake in there.
You can. I had a 2000 Prelude before this, and
Okay.
actually sold it because I really didn't drive it much. But then when this one came along, I was like, man, this one's too. You're not going to find a nice one like this probably again.
Yeah, I agree.
So,
64,000 miles on it, huh?
yep. So we refinished the wheels, center caps, had the rear bumper repainted. It had a little scuff on the back end. Full paint correction, graphene coated. Refinished the exhaust manifold cover, a few odds and ends, and then just really cleaned it up.
Yeah, she looks sharp. I've just always loved the body styling on these.
Yeah, this harkens back to the third gen, which was a little wedge and boxier.
Oh yeah.
You know, the fourth gen, they really did the rounded body style for that.
It's a beautiful styling. Love the long front end.
Yeah, the long hood, short deck lid.
Let's go ahead and check it out. Oh yeah.
So this was the H22, 2.2 liter, sort of the big block 4-cylinder that Honda had back in the late 90s.
Right.
And again, we just did basic maintenance to it, cleaned up the exhaust manifold cover, kind of touched up the valve cover here and there, and
Yeah, it looks beautiful. Yeah, it's
really
a nice touch.
These are one of the first things that just, they get all pitted and kind of rusted looking, and then
Yeah,
you
absolutely.
get the valve cover looking nice, and then you look down, you're like, oh man, that's
Yeah.
such an eyesore. But,
Yeah.
So we refinish most of those on the cars we do.
All right, let's go ahead and show you the interior. Yep, it brings me back. Brings me back to my high school days. That's for sure. Really cool seats, nice bolstering.
You know, like the rest of the Hondas in the 90s, so many of these were driven into the ground, so
Oh yeah, absolutely.
there's so few of these left now to, you know, enjoy.
Oh yeah. Well, I remember this car. Really nice interior, good shape. All right, everybody, well, stay tuned. We're going to take this baby for a spin.
There you go.
All right. Here goes the key. So now we're driving the Type SH. This is my first time driving one of these. And I am just so happy. See how this baby handles. This is super nostalgic for me because, as I said, I used to have one of these during high school and I was in love with that car. This is the Type SH. This has the active torque transfer system. So it transfers torque to the outer wheel. It had an awful Tiptronic 4-speed automatic. This thing is just so fun to drive. H22 motor is pushing out 200 horsepower. Paired with a shifter, it feels really nice. So instead of a limited slip, we got the ATTS. And he's saying that it still works, it still functions. A lot of them go out and then people put a limited slip in instead. Everything about it just feels right. Seats are super comfortable. Handles really well too. Man, does it sound good. This is a great looking car. So I have to get acclimated to the car a little bit here. But so far so good. That shifter feels really on point. But I'm not surprised. VTEC. Finally getting used to the gear. Finally getting used to rev matching there. Heel toe rev matching. Yeah, this is quite the experience for me, that's for sure. This car rides quite nice. Has a really nice quality interior. Awesome seats. Bolstering that really holds you in. Has a nice moon roof. I remember using that all the time back in the day. But yes, I just love this car. Alright, we're just going to go ahead and do a easy going 0 to 60. Feels good. Hits that VTEC. It's not super fast by any means, but it's satisfying to drive. It's definitely fast enough for the back roads. And this car is about handling, not about straight line speed, as with most Hondas. It's about the thrill that you get. How much fun do you have with this car? You're not trying to drag race. You're just trying to have a good time. Listen to that VTEC purr. Sounds so good. Such a good car. Alright everyone, well thanks for watching me get to drive one of my favorite cars of all time. Huge thanks to Great Lakes Vintage Honda. This is a dream come true. 1998, same year I had in high school, but this is the SH Honda Prelude Type SH super handling with the active torque transfer system. This was incredible. Please like and subscribe. Stay tuned for more. See you next time.